Dollar Tree employees at multiple high-volume locations are quietly moving specific items behind checkout counters, not to hide stock, because savvy buyers are clearing entire shelves within minutes of morning delivery. In June 2026, as major retailers implement massive price markups on everyday essentials, these 14 specific discount items are completely destroying name brands that cost 10 times more. If you know exactly what to look for, you can secure high-grade utility, medical assets, and structural tools for just $1.25. Here's exactly what to grab immediately. Item 14. 1-gallon stackable water jugs. Mainstream preppers spend up to $15 on branded water bricks online. Dollar Tree is currently stocking rigid BPA-free 1-gallon stackable utility jugs in the seasonal aisle. They feature reinforced handles and flat interlocking top and bottom moldings that allow stacking 4 layers high without structural collapse. Water storage isn't about aesthetics. It's about volume and seal integrity. For a fraction of the cost, you can build a massive modular emergency water reserve in a closet corner before summer shortages hit. If Dollar Tree is already surprising you, hit subscribe right now. Item 13. Pillsbury ready-to-bake cookie dough. Major grocery chains are currently pricing this exact Pillsbury roll at $3.50. Dollar Tree stocks the identical brand name factory-sealed product with identical expiration dates for under $1.25. Zero culinary preparation required. Slice, place, and bake 12 minutes for a high-morale, calorie-dense resource your family actually wants to eat. A few rolls stored in your freezer provide an instant comfort asset that completely bypasses modern grocery inflation. Same product, same factory, less than half the price. Item 12. COBLED motion sensor lights. Amazon prices generic stick-on motion lights at $12 each. Dollar Tree offers a superior chip-on-board LED motion light for $1.25. Running on standard AAA batteries with heavy industrial adhesive backing for 2-minute deployment. Smart buyers are lining dark stairwells, hallways, and bathrooms to create a hands-free lighting grid during sudden power outages. The soft, ambient glow prevents night blindness and eliminates groping for switches in complete darkness. 12 times cheaper. Functionally superior. Item 11. Heavyweight glass clasp jars. This jar looks like a $14 find from HomeGoods. The glass is incredibly dense, featuring a structural wire clamp mechanism and integrated rubber gasket that creates a flawless airtight seal. It completely isolates contents from ambient air and moisture, preventing sugar from clumping, spices from degrading, and coffee from losing volatile oils. A set of 5 instantly upgrades your pantry organization to professional level for under $7 total, indistinguishable from specialty store products at a fraction of the cost. Item 10. Pro Performance Athletic Socks, 3-pack. A single pair of moisture-wicking athletic socks at a sporting goods store costs $6. Dollar Tree provides a 3-pair pack for $1.50. They feature targeted compression arches, dense undersole cushioning preventing friction blisters during high-mileage activity, and a secure elastic cuff that stays in position without slipping. Stockpiling a dozen pairs fully insulates your footwear system against sweat and wear for under $8 total. The math is simply impossible to argue with. Item 9. Premier Plus 7-Day Pill Organizers. Drugstore chains charge $7 to $10 for basic plastic pill dividers. The Premier Plus model at Dollar Tree features high-grade rigid construction with secure snap-lock lids labeled clearly Monday through Sunday. For anyone managing daily supplements or medical protocols, this eliminates the confusion of opening multiple bottles every morning. At $1.25, Buying multiples lets you pre-stage an entire month of medications or pack a secondary medical kit for your emergency bag without hesitation. Item 8. Cooking Concepts Silicone Sink Strainer. A $1.25 purchase that prevents a $300 emergency plumber bill. Traditional metal mesh strainers rust, warp, and allow fine food debris to bypass drain lines, creating deep plumbing blockages. This flexible silicone strainer never corrodes, features micro mesh catching the smallest organic particles, and includes an inverted center handle for sanitary clearing. Rinses completely clean under running water without trapping bacteria or sour food odors. $1.25 of prevention, eliminating hundreds in repairs. Item 7. Yardley London Bar Soap. Yardley London carries over 200 years of traditional English heritage. Specialty boutiques sell these premium bars for up to $6. Dollar Tree carries limited edition runs for $1.25. This traditional cold-milled soap produces a dense skin-hydrating lather that protects dry skin from stripping. Pro tip most people miss: store these bars unwrapped inside your clothing drawers. The high-grade essential oils permanently freshen your wardrobe before you ever use them for bathing. Premium heritage product. Discount store price. Item 6. Blue light blocking reading glasses. CVS and Walgreens charge up to $20 for basic computer reading glasses. The BII Clear Vision lineup at Dollar Tree features the exact same multi-layer blue light blocking polymer coating that filters high-frequency screen glare from phones and tablets. Available in strengths from +1.00 to +3.00, with lightweight flexible frames that alleviate eye strain and prevent tension headaches during extended screen sessions. 5 pairs for the price of one name brand, placed exactly where you sit most throughout your home. Item 5. Compressed organic cocoa coir discs. Hauling heavy wet potting soil from home improvement stores is expensive and exhausting. These compact featherweight compressed cocoa coir discs expand into loose, nutrient-rich, fluffy growing medium the moment you add water. Paired with integrated herb seed kits, they establish a windowsill culinary garden for pennies, yielding fresh basil, cilantro, or cherry tomatoes directly inside your kitchen. Food independence, starting at $1.25 with zero heavy lifting required. Item 4. Assured Herbal Cooling Relief Wipes. Traditional topical analgesic oils are messy, stain clothing permanently, and carry pungent chemical odors that take over a room. The Assured Herbal wipes in the medical aisle provide a clean, pre-moistened application of menthol, eucalyptus, and aloe vera directly to sore joints and tense muscles. Rapid cooling sensation penetrating deep into tissue without leaving any residue on your hands. Use, discard, and remain completely clean. No mess, no stains, no lingering odor. Item 3. Industrial kitchen shears. Standard kitchen scissors turn dull or snap at the plastic handle when cutting through thick packaging. Dollar Tree's heavy-duty shears feature thick, high-carbon steel blades secured by a rugged, hard-molded plastic grip. They cut cleanly through raw poultry, thick plastic sheeting, and garden wire without hesitation. The structural weight and solid mechanical snap prove definitively that you do not need to overpay for quality utility steel. A multi-function cutting tool for $1.25. Item 2. Pro Silk Creamy Cashmere Body Lotion. This is a legendary product dupe within the retail community. The formula behaves identically to the $9 EOS lotion line sold at Target, a thick, highly emollient cream absorbing instantly into dry skin without leaving greasy residue. The cashmere profile locks in deep tissue moisture across hours of activity. Savvy buyers purchase these by the case specifically because high-quality cosmetic formulas at this price point vanish from shelves the moment word spreads. When you find them, clear the shelf. Item 1. Minimalist long-stem wine glasses. Place a Dollar Tree long-stem wine glass next to a $10 designer alternative from Crate and Barrel, and you immediately realize big box retail markup is a complete scam. Flawless clarity, elegant slender stem, robust weighted base, and durable moderate thickness that handles everyday washing without shattering. A full set of 6 costs under $8, allowing premium-looking tablescapes without the fear of breaking expensive family heirlooms. Identical appearance, identical function, 1/10 the price. If this breakdown changed how you see your local discount aisles, hit that like button and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, which of these 14 are you hunting for tomorrow morning? Stay smart, stay prepared.